Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for June 24, 2026. We have 10 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, OpenAI unveils GPT-5.5-Cyber, first end-to-end AI security suite for software supply chains. ByteDance launches Doubao 2.1, claims programming parity with Claude Opus 4.7, Cursor launches Team Plugin Marketplace, rankings, one-click installs and multi-repo support. GPT-5 Pro helps solve 3-year immunology mystery on T-cell behavior. And more in today's 10-story brief. Let's dive in. OpenAI just dropped Daybreak, its first full-stack AI security platform, headlined by GPT-5.5-Cyber, branded the strongest cybersecurity model ever built. It's not just scanning code, it verifies exploits, traces attacker paths, and powers Patch the Planet to auto-close vulnerabilities in open-source projects. This is the first time a major AI lab has productized the entire software supply chain defense loop, from bug find to patch merge, and it's already engaging US government partners. ByteDance just launched Doubao 2.1, and it's making bold claims, programming performance on par with Anthropic's top-tier Claude Opus 4.7. Even more striking? A demo showing an autonomous agent running for 18 straight hours to write chip design code, labeled a production-grade inflection point by insiders. But here's the catch, this is still media-reported, not yet benchmarked or priced, so we're calling it controversial parity until real data drops. Cursor just upgraded its entire workflow game, launching a team-wide plugin marketplace with leaderboards, one-click installs, and support for GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure DevOps. Even cooler? Plugins can now ship with ready-made Atlassian-style canvases that pull live project data, turning every tool into a collaborative, visible asset. This isn't just convenience. It's the first serious move towards standardizing how engineering teams actually share and scale AI agents. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. OpenAI just spotlighted a breakthrough where GPT-5 Pro helped an immunologist solve a 3-year mystery about T-cell behavior, uncovering new mechanisms relevant to cancer and immune therapies. This isn't speculative, it's pure contextualized, hypothesis-generating AI working side by side with domain experts. When models start accelerating real science, not just summarizing papers, that's when AI stops being infrastructure and becomes co-investigator. LangChain just leveled up deep agents with interpreters, tiny, self-contained runtimes that let agents write and run code inside their own reasoning loop. No more waiting for external APIs or orchestrators, now they debug, calculate, and transform data in real time, with built-in explanations. This bridges the gap between tool-using agents and self-programming agents, and could redefine how we build reliable, compute-heavy workflows. Want voice-ready agents without rebuilding from scratch? LangChain and pipecat just dropped a 17-minute tutorial that adds full voice I/O to any LangGraph agent, keeping your existing logic intact while layering on STT, TTS, and conversation memory. That's huge for customer service bots, smart assistants, and any scenario where hands-free interaction matters, and it turns voice from a luxury feature into a plug-and-play upgrade. Google DeepMind and indie film powerhouse A24 just announced a research partnership, but it's not about flashy demos. Their goal? To build tomorrow's creative tools with, not for, working creators. That means directors, editors, and writers helping define what AI should, and shouldn't, do in production pipelines. This is a quiet but powerful shift, from tech-first to creator-first AI for professional media. Baidu just open-sourced an OCR model called Infinite, designed specifically to parse massive, multi-page documents like legal contracts and financial statements in one go. It's positioned as a direct response to the long document pain point that's held back enterprise automation. And while some outlets speculate DeepSeek engineers were involved, Baidu hasn't confirmed authorship, leaving room for both collaboration and quiet competition in China's vision stack race. LangChain's Harrison Chase dropped a blunt truth bomb: releasing your first agent isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. Real reliability comes from relentless iteration, stress testing in production, and listening to users, not from launch day hype. That mindset shift, from ship fast to stabilize relentlessly, might be the most important upgrade in the agent era. Mark your calendars. OpenAI DevDay 2026 opens registration today, happening September 29th in San Francisco. Even if you can't attend in person, the keynote will stream live worldwide. Historically, DevDay is where OpenAI drops major dev tools, API upgrades, and agent platform expansions, so this is your signal to start planning Q4 integrations now. Applications close July 10th, so don't wait. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.